Hello everybody, this is Sami Rintala, architect and professor. I was born in Finland a long time ago, and then I moved to Norway 15 years ago, so I'm now recording this in North Norway, where I live and work with my studio. The curious thing about me as an architect maybe is that I really like building, and this building also behind me is built by me. I have had 244 workshops in 25-30 years now, and with students where we are building different kind of structures, everything between furniture into bridge or cottage or sauna or almost whatever, really small scale stuff. We are staying chosen time from 2 days to 2 weeks to 1 month and build together something using hand tools, very simple hand tools, hand saws and chisels usually. So it's very easy for people also who never built before anything to learn these tricks. And the idea for architect students especially is to learn how it is on the building site and demystify the building of houses and use of materials. So many good things will happen. I'm a student of Juhani Pallasmaa. He was my tutor and therefore also the design and kind of phenomenology and atmosphere of the buildings is important for us, not just building them. So this is that's why it's called design and build, this exercise. So I would like you, as many as possible from you guys, to join our Portugal workshop. We have had one more before in Matosinhos, one workshop where we build a port wine house, and you find that in the internet as well if you write my name Matosinhos and port wine. So yeah, we will have 2 workshops this autumn, this year, with my course called Designing Context, and this is for Trondheim School of Architecture, where I've been teaching since 2005 as a professor. But we have had these workshops everywhere in the world, in all the continents, except Antarctica so far. So, if somebody wants to ask something from me, you will get my email from the MAGA ladies who are our very good cooperators in this effort. Yeah, have a nice summer, and I hope to see many of you in the autumn in September.